plumbing au babwata marbles and granites, nkona bale MDF boards, kona bale deformed bath teaching enjo au babwata bathtubs, babwata tiles echichire teaching enjo au konya bale bwigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets, babwata biro teaching enjo au babwata gypsum pots, chisimiti, amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya selikolerense nigo bagotuka ase nyumbere manyakantabuna Cansons Plaza ase bara ya Kisi Kisumu imiyo muchiyiga obusungu asamange naboko bakiresi bigutira se kinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Enyagitari ya HK International Medical Center nige gotoka imyomo cyobosongo nigo yakira sengenje yao nabo igo nige bwate abanyagitari bo bwato bumanyi bwigoroke gima abo bakora meremo yabo keboikeranu
incheno manyagitari rini kemma obanyi korwa senyagitari ya HK International Medical Center irega igo muchito bosongo
Boigo, enyagitari ya nige bwate chi machines chingiya, echichigo tumeka kolingoria maroire au asomobero na mariogo onsi alioraganye ase obobwene bwao.
Nabonta getoko tanga ase enyagitari ya ito nigo togokora scanning yo mobero mogima, yani tokonyoroka so umuntu bweke songo nga full body check up. Igonta getoko tanga nigo tokorigere likorwa so motwe paka amaguru ise twarigere the internal organs cha uchons pina kichigo function tokonyora chiri cha sero function abnormal twako amariogo
amaroire bakorwaria ngamona diabetes gose oboroire bwe sukari, high blood pressure, oboroire bwe chinyigo gose kidney, asthma, arthritis, brucellosis, infertility in men and women, hormonal imbalance, family planning, uterine fibroids, oboroire bwe stroke, prostate enlargement, stomach ulcers, chi allergies, cancer.
Nonya no mochando bwa maino amaina ali yako na gusumbu anto bwata mariogo ya maino nto bwata maro mariogo ya marwaire yemeki emeki eri tichete emeki ngo tichere ya chikore nto bokongwa senkoro igonga maro mariogo ali yago tichore emeki gusako igore emeki yagera manyinga atarabu yanto nyabwate nto bwata mariogo ali yago akorusia machando yechi joint chiri chikobuga borwaire bori tokorokanga osteoporosis na boro buno borwaire bochandeta abantu baito na boro bwa mariogo na aroro nkorigere litore nonye na mangana respiratory system abantu barokonyora egekuba kiabo takonyara gutire getiro
epilepsy na boigo amaroire andamange
na inda mariogo ya nigo tokonyarusia ase chinse cheisikobu na bono USA mariogo na ali tokorusia stokoroka Los Angeles California eyere ni USA na inde nkorustora mariogo anda ase chinse chiri tokorokanga Malaysia ayande nkorware India na ayande nigo tokonyarusi China
asamange bakiresimi ase number 0717176383. HK International Medical Center. Your health is your wealth.
Omugusi bono lishirika lya obwanjeteria Getembe Television Network amana Getembe FM nigo lyakoletero bokorere bwaye gocange nasore tutarere imiye nyomberi ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale kuruchinsemo cha Kisi kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor iryo tunyara ko batogosangamo naye nagokina nyabunegisaku cyumugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyama mugusi. Ne noganye kokolerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubatemesangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday nesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo enyangi busuko kwa kuyomino emijega au bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwaliga asiriguridio gutugutira ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bare noba manyi baiguro nigeti byetebwa te signal ere enkongo yigwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gusigu yakisimi gwitira namba 0741499726
Yokomboli umwanone kirijane.
tariki na mirongo hebere na isatu mutinye no yoga tatu mwaka no yobo chirubera mirongo hebere ne tananomo moncho mo rigerinde no kwege nambiyore andonsia sule na gukwanire naboigo gukwarikane kanyara mangana maya yekiunga chinsebere chiabo no butko eliterane serasi nyakundi asense melio nyero nero wirisone makoliri tangani anegati kwarikanire tia senchira yowenge.
Mogogo seke winya science senekina kyo saba na bire gingo barera so mwako yo mulima very nice
yamateye mu kuruchinsemo cyamagena kogendera gucengero gutoka gukwiborwa kwa bana batatu abubakoriro mwaka yo mubono
nere na chabarangeri buno mo biso monene bwe police station ya Nyanturago egere baere suburunginga ninkiye kogera bagukagerwa ege kogera mundu tagukageru bosa
ibarasa yoburendi gokoreka chinse mu chenyo bisabo ase bitambukiro byogotinye burendi bya kwanirwa.
Kama mjuavyo tuko na kile tunaita grassroots election, so our determination ni kuhakikisha chama kiko na grassroots base.
Ababwatani bekiama kia UDA kugendera kuyarigania sobo choliboke bekiama ekyo ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South. Karibu umwanjomo rigelia kochake kionga chinsa ibere umojumbe webunge ya North Mugirango musike chuashinyamuko niga tugutera lechungu mabuna ege taseni kiege tange kereli tikeligo chigweta asorogongo ruagusi anamono chinsemo cheikonge kaukwana na baliki bamangana umugasolero nyamuko nigene kibuna hukuigwana nkoro ko ruaso muraibense ege taseni kyo kebekwe chinsemecho.
We have the information that we have SGR ambayo inapita hapa. It covers about 4.9 kilometers as a constituency ya North Mugirango, na ile ambao kidogo watu walikuwa wanataka kuongea sana juu yake ni juu ya station ambayo inajengwa huko Ikonge. Kwa hivyo is an assurance that we have a station ama tuko na stage ya kubeba mizigo, iko stage ya kubeba binadamu wale ambao watakuwa kisafiri na hiyo SGR na itawekwa huku Ikonge. Kwa hivyo I'm just asking the leaders wasiwe na mislead watu. If they want to seek information they can watafute hiyo information mahali iko. I know the initial design vile ilikuwa haikuweko hiyo station haikuweko, but we requested the president when we had a meeting with him in October last year huko Kisii wakati alikuja kuabudu pamoja na sisi. So tukawa na mkutano tukamwambia aweke hiyo station. Kwa hivyo it's going to be there and there's no question about that. So let's not create a lot of emotions ati hii haiko hii haina sijui wengine wanaongea kivipi, but the fact is that station will be itakuwa hapo. Era tokonya saa tambe sana kia number 1 Ekwere SGR. I was in Kisumu on Saturday wakati tulikuwa tunafungua ile between the president huyu Museveni wa Uganda na sisi. Hiyo train wakati inatoka Naivasha itapitia Narok, ipite Bomet, iguze Kericho, iguze Nyamira County, iende Kisumu, iende mpaka Malaba huko. Hii train inaenda mpaka DRC Congo. Kwa hivyo ni kitu ya kutoa mizigo kutoka Mombasa ikibeba ikienda pande hii, na vile vile watu wapate usafiri wa rahisi. Passengers ambao watakuwa wakitoka Mombasa, wengine kutoka Nairobi, wapitie kwa hiyo train ili waende mahali wanaenda. So it's going to open up because we expect kupitia kwa hii njia imetengenezwa inaitwa Kisii Chemosit Road, inaenda mpaka Isabania. Ile mizigo ingine itatoka pande ya Migori, ile itatoka kutoka Mwanza, nyingi itapitia hapa.
Ikati yabamenyi bebunge ya Kitutu Chache South anena mabwatani bekiama kia UDA bakorawa na Dr. Felix Atisa asukobeko muroberi obosi wabachole boke gose grassroots election bekiama kia UDA omoti nyogocha komenta nayo nigo bamwarigani murai benso muske William Ruto asetaro yaye hekagire hime yorogongo rwagusi heikigocha mori kitutiboni asanya norobotirwa sinchira yoboikirano.
Rituko lya rero gati y'abamenyi korwa ase ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South abwanene bari aso murengo bwa serikali gose UDA nigo batware egeikaro ekyo kyabagekora na Dr. Felix Atisa asenchire yamo yogusange birengerero nabego kubika emirobirio anene aso bacholyo boke bwa grassroots election obura nyare gokoreka ase omutinyo gocha.
Kwa majina naitwa Dr. Felix Atisa, mkaaji wa hapa Kitutu Chache South, wodi ya Nyakoe. Leo nimekuwa hapa nyumbani kukutana na wenzangu na pia kukutana na wana Kitutu Chache South. Kama mjuavyo, tuko na ile tunaita grassroots election. So our determination ni kuhakikisha chama kiko na grassroots base na kiko imara kujipanga katika uchaguzi ujao, and most importantly katika constituency yetu ya Kitutu Chache South pia najipanga kuwania hichi kiti cha ubunge mwaka ujao.
Gukwanekere nigo arukuburia guchase serikali anene kunyura amagenderero ase chisemo cyose.
Hakuna mtu ambaye anachagua kuwa opposition. Watu hujipata tu kwa opposition. Wanakuja, wanacheza siasa, wanagongwa nje, wanakaa opposition. Wale ambao wanashinda wanakuwa kwa serikali. So tukiwa hapa kwa serikali, sisi sio flower girls. Sisi tukiwa kwa serikali, we want to appeal to government to stand with us, to be with us. We are part and parcel of this great country called Kenya. Kitutu Chache South constituency tuko na shida chungu nzima, na tumesema hatutakaa tukingoja.
Komentara yue nigo amochia obokoreri umujumbe urabisi.
Want to be seen as part of this process. Tunataka barabara zetu ziangaliwe, tunataka last mile. Iko vijiji mingi within our constituency ambazo bado ziko in darkness. We want those as early as now. Tukiendelea kujipanga for 2027. We cannot let our people suffer in the hope that there will be a better tomorrow. We want a better tomorrow now.
Nonyinabo semujende yokumwarigania umurai wense Dr. William Samuel Ruto asetaro yaye kageire eikigocha nigo bamuburirie tatiga abana inchi magega kimagenderera nene kurwa sensemejo.
Tumesema hatuendi kunyamaza tena. We want projects in Kitutu Chache South also. There are many projects in Nyamira zinaenda kuzinduliwa, zingine zinaenda kuwa commissioned. So ile tunajiuliza sisi kama wana Kitutu Chache South, ni project gani ambayo anakuja kuzindua? Sisi tutamkaribisha, but we want to use this opportunity tuseme hatutaki kufika 2027 bila at least 30 to 50 tarmac road. Hiyo ndio kitu tunataka.
Uripoteri gataseni kiao wanjete kia gatembe kuruga se bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ime county ya Kisii ni gonkuru kwa Dipon Asanya.
Muno homori kitoriboni asanya hasoroboterwa ensemo yabamenyi banyabisabo hime ye wodi ebino nigo baboliro kubwaterana nabo bwatani heligo sirie bikoro byobwe obo bwarorekanire comment kana mono ensemeyo asege karo kia bareta mabo bwatani boborende abunchiria ne sector ya boda boda kiaregete boigo koreto murembe nigo batebire buna ebikore ebyo nebinde byobosari negati ekisababu kiri chairire nseme yo koirana magega asa magendero muri kitodani runtire oroboturwa senchira yobwikirano
kubotekana no komentekana kubikore byubibi ase location ya Kerera yegotuka ibeno imiye county ya Kisii. Samuel Mogaka muchief wensemeyo nigaraige ikarao ikyo kyabaretamo abamenyi negati yabonjolia asensemo yenye bisabo ikarao kiringite kuriya chinchira cyogosiria obosali obo na gutingyo burindi
bona sama tukabwangoiga obwo bibwararekanire chinyomba chikobunwa ebintu byairwa ase location ya Nyamawa amona liankabi na hende buna twatebire amarieta gatogotebania amarieta aria nonye no siasi twakwanete nere amarieta ayibuna gutuka nere nacha barangeri buno mo biso monene bwe police station ya Nyanturago egere baere suburunginga ninkiye kogera bagukagerwa egekogera mundu tagukageru bosa none abayibuli actually ngomwana o nare nyumba mapema no twara umwana kanya karo mobe kabe open otebe asabagambi egere umwana yiki gokonyi mapema na bora nyako na kumubisa na ndo nyole nyanga wiyo kona gutuba mase onyole naye kuruma
okwana chinga kecho Mogaka nigakwanire sababu yokurwania muno wibi wichistima nibintu bichistima asenseme yote abuna chinga kiche ikirabono cyogwa kigetulie okora obwibi obwo limorioka
twakwanira abana baitumba litwire chikosi baturinira mangana electricity bona abange mbale maiga buna twanyorira mangana abande babwata bekibikoto biribyo kulina chi post chegistima igoro toje torangeri buna toigwanana no moses abanta abaiga toje tobarangeri bonse bali bakageri babwate bikoroto bakolinire metego to manya kurukenya bawanga na maene mbale entitled gokora eko na bura nyora abanta bano bakogenda barusinyaya bajikonia sangao
asense mwende abamenyi niko bakwanira gosemeli kwabo no gwekinia aso bonchirili bwabo ubwo abange babo bateba babege togosemelia asibule gwekinia sobugima
gendo kende abasaya baito mbali watendi barasa no bwarifu obonge eboko basengenjo y'abantu abake igonale gosabanga ebarasende yonsi naende ko gikorwa cyakira bono abantu ababake batatogetiga iga abantu abaito ba community policing na nyumba 10 n'abaturete bagoete nyumba se nyumba ire so musale
aiga nigagocha chinga kiboigo abasae bagendrete gosegetwa kubekumokia na kurigia kende barakore libagario ko baracha bosa gento kibaisa kubabeka asa matemwa na kwenyora asomusumene weri chiko
amaene abana baito abanga bamura babeire hydromono that's why konyore bikesi ebinge bikonyako babigokoreka mwaso abana baito niko bare over 18 mbaranyoma no konyoma gochia nanga onye ndi babwata basubati tanga bamanyeke genderete nyumbe kero mugaka gosoka ngomanyale naki ngayu mugaka agenda bono bange manyometi
kuriboterega taseni kyagatembe kuraiga ibino imebunge yenyeri bari chache county ya Kisii eriterane nguru kwa Daniel Muntiri
Biamuno homo likito Daniel Muntiri hasoro botiro yamategemo korwa magena nigegendete kogokera afya y'abana abo bayiborete batatu asentunde yemo kinga kibono bari kogokera hokora ku mwaka asoboreri boganetie umukya ugotigana nabo igo hokwegerera afya y'abana bake ano nabo abange babo barore kanire gosira magima abo asama tukamatangani yo kuiburwa muri kito diboni asanya norobotiro asinchira yo bwikirano
nomogoko munene ase amateko rwa chinsemo chia magena asokorera abana batatu abo baiboretwe okuiborwa okomo huikabono anene bakorire omwaka bari buya
asamarita muri magazine kebuko ninde nomogoko seke winya science senekinakiyo sabana batatu nabire gingo barera so mwako yo murima very nice
okwana nabarikia mangana nigo baramuna esabari yega yoborari nigo yabeire na makong ao kuri nigo bagenderete gosemeria barabuo koba na afyengia
asachari chio barera bana nengongu aso kobara okay ndore na mandenglo nero to kobara nero mostly barera bana nero kombate si inde no mo monene ona ngira bana bana akini nyakitaki na nyake ndio sai ya mara ya
Nyinabo ababwatani b'enyagitari eyo yabetege gokonya obugima bwa bana baiga nigoro baru bagenderete kubwatuka obokonyi anena soko basira elio koene kiangango kinabare ase chinjira chiwenerete
nitukulia lero gari abiryo mogoko monene kigima twanyale ko batokomera na gaiga ase nyagitari kirenge kenene no gochengera omwaka oyomo maiga nyagitari ye gokonya ase gicho ya oyomo wabateje baitona ko bakwigora abana batatu twaliete ira chingaki banyate ko bakwigorwa nganto genda ko batoko basira nabo igoko babwatie nandi tukalira nga ekera bara ko mwaka oyomo kunenya kitali tunyale kwa batoko batendelea singi choko chengera litokeo.
Hawa watoto ambao ni triplet ndio walikuwa wetu wa kwanza. Na sasa ndio maana tunawafanyia party day ya kufurahia hiyo siku.
Obasemia asaba subati bali bebwaterentie no kwenekia ngako ngenda bali ase clinic nabo igo kumanya hali yabo. Unenchire yamo yego keania anene ebikore bya makweli ebyo abasubati abange babeire bagusira nabo igo abana bake anene chinga kia chiri chiro iboro.
Wajawazito wanatembea katika hospitali, wanaanza clinic kila hospitali yoyote, lakini tunakaribisha hospitali yetu, tutawaendeleza nao hadi wakati wa mwisho ambao watakao kujifungua.
Kuripoti kitaseni kiage tembe liane gongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Biamono homo likito Diboni Asanya hasoro voti uruhoru ya kabisa chinga kiabacholi hobonene bole bosio nigaba Kenya bingire kuyarigani haseli tuko liarero gati bamenyi banyali bali chache besoki na komokoboko chwele hokengo nyambane kurwanire kirugo kyobojumbe ase bamutogi koikange habale mafu anene abubaganiti hobokonyi engana bate babuna nikamanyirelio kyoburaye ubuya muri kyo Diboni Asanya na twaliganelio robotiro
Ime yebunge ya Nyaribari chache egotoke kaunti ya Kisii siasa kurwa asabana siasa ni goyarokanire kogenderera komenta omuso munene uchiasaba menyi bensemeyo chingaki gati yabagaka nabangina kurwa sebunge yo besokire na komusegeta omwana siasa yomo kurwa se chinsemecho aserieta okengo nyambane asokurigikero kyobojumbe aneno sobochori buribusyo korengana na makora ya maya anene yo kunyora abali no kunyorogoke.
Dr. Henry Ongegwo Sembe kurwa Kiombu Ward omwa esimiwa okengo choeri nyambane tali obisi lakini onyali ekolika abana Kenyaga orera abana chinse chiesiko bang'ere koimo kiuchumi ya Kenya iguru ngakirenda araso obisi onyokolira ayatali abisi arajobisi amagende otako ba mange mono
sababu yale maneno yote ambayo yanafanya kwa makanisa, kwa watoto ambao hawajiwezi, kwa wamama, kwa vijana wa bodaboda, ameonyesha ya kwamba ni kiongozi shubafu. Ama namna gani wamama?
Yesegete anene ase bali batari kwenyara gati yalia bakwenyora anene asokomo koboko muna omurai bw'abantu
amatanga chipiri abakonya basinyirunya gitari oretire mebereyo abarwaire wakanire chipiri ebiremo bakanire ayonsinga kitogoteba
nende bono ogosemeria kwabo no konyora magenderero amange no nyamaega yokororekana kokonya abaoncheria bakabake sector ya bodaboda.
My fellow Nyaribari Church people, let us grow and vote somebody in the name of Okengo Nyambane who can help us.
Ai guri baga 2027 amagendera amange narorekane kubwa yitoroje bono
kurega ase chinsemo chia Kiombu chigotoke bunge ya Nyaribari Chache kaunti ya Kisii eliani gonkoro kwa Dipon Asanya
sorobotiro rumuri kyo Diponi Asanya tanyoro motimo komoketo koirana togende ne kyonga senjira yobo ikirano.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye mangana watika. kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tugukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakinde yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito mwigo share n'abasani amuni amate ebyo bayigokie wemanye na wesemya tubase kwiba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ebyo onyaliko bagokoyanyora chingaki abikiri ase umtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kyamwamogusie. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asili lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitanki au nabwe kurose chi company au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au nabwe n'ebintu bikutumika se a bathroom babwate chi kitchen sinks nabwe ne tap babwate bintu bikukora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkona bale MDF boards kona bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au konya bale bwigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro wechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakona seliko lirense nigo bagotuka ase nyombere manyakantabuna Cansons Plaza ase bara ya Kisi Kisumu imbe yo muchiyiga obusungo asamange naboko bakirisi bigutera se kinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Karibu na inde homo nchumo rigerelia homo teneneri vekiombe kanene kyogotuki haiga Kenya Mohamed Hamini nigere irabuna nigo muwaziri mukuru Rafael Tuju aibisete hase nyumba yaye na kubwata koroboti rubonganirelia buna nigo hao chereretwe kakwana magega yaye Tuju esokeli tukuri rero Hamini nigo agikirige tambakire kyo moske Tuju.
The Directorate of Criminal Investigations conclusively, and I'm saying this without an iota of doubt, that Honorable Rafael Tuju was physically present within his residence throughout the period in question. Even at the precise time, his mobile phone was switched off at 18:18 hours on 21st of March 2026, he was at his current residence. When confronted with the reality that police were closing in on the truth and that his deception could no longer be sustained, Mr. Tuju chose to resurface, confirming thereby the investigators' earlier well-founded suspicion that this was a carefully staged disappearance rather than a genuine case of abduction. The National Police Service views this conduct of Rafael Tuju not merely as an isolated act of falsehood, but as a deliberate attempt to mislead the Kenyan public, to misdirect the law enforcement resources, and undermine confidence in the very institutions tasked with protecting our citizens. Ladies and gentlemen, this deliberate conduct by Rafael Tuju appears to be a calculated effort to deceive the public, to to generate unwarranted sympathy and to undermine the integrity of the National Police Service, and for that matter, the Directorate of Criminal Investigations, for apparent political or personal motives. This is not an isolated occurrence. The DCI has documented numerous similar incidents involving staged disappearances or false abduction claims, often by public figures and even including politically exposed persons, in a disturbing pattern designed to undermine public trust in our law enforcement agencies.
Chinga kichecho ni waziri bobolendi boime homuske kipichumba murukumene erakwanira ngani yo hasa moche bikorwa byabantu kwebisa na goteba buna nigo baochereirwe egento aralibuna nokko banekirenga kyogo serili serikali elieta.
Juzi jana nikiwa ndege nimetoka London, ninaambiwa ati Tuju amepotea. Nikasema ati nikaambia DCI amepotea. DCI kaniambia familia yake wanasema amepotea, lakini uchunguzi wa serikali ako kwa nyumba yake analala. Si unajua hata serikali inajua uko wapi, si ndio? Umelala wapi, saa ngapi na nani na hiyo mambo yote. So akaniambia waziri, usiwe na wasiwasi. Huyo mtu alizima simu, na mara ya mwisho kuzima simu yake amesima kwa nyumba yake na ni bedroom, na amejifungia pale. Nikamuuliza DCI, siwende pale sasa uulize kwa family. Asema hapana, familia yake wamefunga gate. Wamesema walienda police station wakariport ati amepotea, lakini wakasema msikuje nyumbani. So today the IG aliamurisha police kwenda kwake kwa lazima, because somebody cannot incite the public and to cause unrest in this country in the name of abduction. Aliposikia polisi wako gate, akaita media, kasoma habari, akasema nilikuwa nimejificha. Yet his family walikuwa wameenda police station. You know, these theatrics must come to a stop, and these repetitive theatrics must come to a stop. And I want to ask the judiciary to become very vigilant. If we bring people who are abducting themselves before the court of law, you must take the severest action against them, because then if you don't, you are going to create a very bad culture in this country where people abduct themselves so that they can gain sympathy and to put government, that the government is in bad light. And I know where that script comes. Inatoka tu ule jamaa alijifungia hospitali kwamba yeye ni mgonjwa ndio asiende kuulizwa maswali kwa Senate, akafungia Koimburi. Koimburi sasa ameshasema wazi, alimlazimisha akampeleka kwa hospitali na akamwambia ujiambie wewe umekuwa self-abducted, ndio hiyo ameambia Tuju afuate hiyo njia. That behavior must come to an end, and we are going to take stern action against all these people who pretend to have been abducted so that they can bring a bad name to the Republic of Kenya.
Mwana chebi no munene omukoro David Kenani Maraga niko hatwarege karo na bobwatani bikyombe kya EBC ase haichanira homubaro mokebwa namba y'abantabo bagendete kwelikia kunaba kichukura. Maraga niga orokirie kirenga kyoguchia kurige kirogo kyubora ibense asaba chole bonene bole bosibo mwaka wa 2025.
And show to the public that they are doing everything possible to prepare for the election. The other major point we raised was registration of our brothers and sisters in the diaspora. They are also very, very disadvantaged. First of all, with this mass registration, IBC is yet to come up whether he is also going to register to extend that to the diaspora. We are urging the youths to come out and register, as we are urging everyone else. And as far as we are concerned, the youths have on their own, I don't want to take credit for this, on their own they have come up with Tuko Kadi. An initiative, we applaud them.
Bwamadini umuske hali Hassan Joho nigasingireire buna nigarache kugendera kubwatesia serikali na boigo muraibenso umuske William Ruto ise yeli aburi lia broadcast Joho horenge gukwana segikaro kyababwatani bekyama kya ODM ime ye county ya Kilifi nigo boigo aneke kyamekyo gochia kubeka kere abaroniriria sebiro kubyonsi gotatige kirogo kyuburaibense.
Sisi tukiamua na tumeamua tutasimama na Rais William Ruto kwa tamu zake ngapi? 2. Lakini hapa chini kuanzia governor, senator, women rep, mbunge, MCA, mambo ni ODM. Tumekubaliana hapo? Ama nirudie? Sisi kwa hali na mali, kwa dhiki, kwa furaha, kwa mvua, kwa jua, hapo juu tutampatia William Samoei Ruto. Hapa chini gavana, senator, women rep, mbunge, MCA, chama ni ODM. Tumeelewana hiyo? Na haitoki kwa sababu mimi naamini kama Hassan Joho, nikitaka kuwa rais wa taifa la Kenya, chombo changu kitakuwa chama cha ODM. Ni kweli si kweli? Si ni sisi tunafuata baba, tukamuunga, tukamsupport, tukafa naye? Si sisi? Si ndio sisi tutatuma watu wetu sasa twende kwa watu wa baba, tuambie baba, watu wa baba tuliwaunga miaka nenda, sasa ni wakati mfanye nini? Mtuunge. Sasa kuna mtu atawaambia muache hayo. You have invested 20 years in this party and nobody should tell you to leave the party ODM and join any other, because I tell you, vile Fikirini amesema hapa, our table, our seat iko katika chama cha ODM. Tumekubaliana. Kwa hivyo tutakaa katika msimamo wa chama kwa hali na mali. Tumekubaliana hapo? Na msiogope, msitishwe, msibabaishwe. Kuna watu wajawaja, waacheni
Oko bwatana kubonjereria ngochi kogendera kwenekiwa gati yense ya Kenya na boigense ya China. Ayanko bwatikana no kuigwana oko kwabe kwali rero. Oko kurendete oko bweranie gati echinse cyo hibere.
The Framework Agreement on Economic Partnership for Shared Development signed between Kenya and China in April 2025 provides an important platform for achieving this goal. To this end, the export flag-off taking place later today in the afternoon symbolizes a new phase in our cooperation, one focused on expanding Kenya's exports, supporting value addition and creating greater opportunities for Kenyan farmers, manufacturers and entrepreneurs. China Belt and Road Initiative has also contributed significantly to strengthening infrastructure connectivity across many countries, including here in Kenya. Investments in transport and logistics infrastructure have enhanced regional connectivity with key projects like the Standard Gauge Railway, SGR, the Nairobi Expressway, and the soon-to-be constructed Thika Super Highway overpass, which have improved Kenya's role as a gateway for trade and investment in the Eastern and Central Africa regions. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of Kenya's economy, and the Chinese market presents a tremendous opportunities for Kenyan agricultural products, especially coffee, tea, avocados, vegetables, nuts, flowers, fish, and fish products, among others. As you are aware, Kenya has the best coffee in the world. Kenya has the best tea in the world. Kenya is the largest producer of avocados in Africa. And Kenya is the second largest producer of macadamia in Africa.
Sorbatiro Manchumo, Rigariano, Wakero Melio, Wamanama, Ye Kyunga, Chinsevere, Chiavon, Kurende Chikuraka Chinsenya, Ningiran and Comania Centura, Yo, Wakirano, literally Serasnia Conde, Sense Meli, Manerio, Nigarenge, Wilson Macolinago Savire, Tuarubigaria, Vorovia.
Gusie Bono na bukwegokia aso gusonja ETV ya uwanje Thaga Temba Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimero au ya